According to the hair growth calculator, the average hair growth rate is 0.5 inches per month. So to grow your hair twice as fast, you would need to grow it at least 1 inch per month. That's not impossible, but it's certainly not very common. Some factors that may influence your hair growth rate are genetics, sex, age, nutrition, and stress. You may have inherited a gene that makes your hair grow faster than average, or you may have a hormonal balance that favors hair growth. You may also be eating a healthy diet that provides enough protein, iron, zinc, and vitamins for your hair, or you may have reduced your stress levels and improved your sleep quality. If you want to maintain or even increase your hair growth rate, you may want to try some of these tips. Massage your scalp regularly to stimulate blood flow and hair follicles. Trim your hair every few weeks to get rid of split ends and prevent breakage. Avoid heat styling, chemical treatments, and harsh products that can damage your hair. Use natural oils such as coconut, olive, or castor oil to moisturize and nourish your hair. Protect your hair from sun, wind, and pollution by wearing a hat, scarf, or bandana. Drink plenty of water and stay hydrated.